with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
American Airlines is our one-month partner. It's been a pleasure having you on board today, and we hope to see you again soon on another American Airlines flight. Enjoy your stay here in Boston, and wherever your travels may take you. And if this is home, welcome home, and happy Thanksgiving.
And folks, almost there. It's just on the right hand side.